Hey guys, so today's video is going to be a fun one. I did a little experiment a couple days ago, a week ago now, a week and a half ago now. Life is just a blur. Days blend together. I just don't know what today is even. Anyway, I did a little experiment on Poshmark and I wanted to share with you guys my results. So one of my biggest questions I get asked is, how many times a day should you share your closet? How many times a day do you share your closet? What's the recommended? What do I do? What do I do? How many times? I think we can all agree everyone hates sharing. It's annoying. It's tedious, yes. I'm actually looking to hire a VA to do sharing and some other tasks as well. If you guys don't know, I had a VA last year, 2019, and I think it's about time that I bring someone else on board, especially since I have like under 6 weeks until baby number 5 gets here. Once baby number 5 gets here, woo-wee! Sharing. It is something that you must do in order to make sales on Poshmark. It's just part of their app. Poshmark is a social app. Really no other platform has that like feature or requirement. But yeah, it's a necessity if you want to make sales on Poshmark. So I decided to do a little experiment. So backing up, I share my closet at least 3 times a day. That is my minimum. Morning, afternoon, and nighttime. I have to share at least 3 times a day. However, I aim for more. I just try to share as often as I can because the more you share, the higher your items will be in search results. And like I said, you just have to consistently share in order to make sales on Poshmark. Yeah, you can get lucky where, you'll get the occasional sale. Someone's just looking for something like, I don't know, maybe you have something very rare in particular and someone's looking for it and, you haven't shared it for a while. That's very rare though. I did an experiment where I shared my closet once every hour from 9 p.m. to 6 o'clock p.m. Eastern time. Oh, and I want to make a note, and then I'm going to do another experiment where I share my closet later in the day. I'm thinking from like noon to like 9 o'clock at night or noon to like 10, depending on how late I can stay up. Mama is exhausted at the end of the day. I like to go to bed early. So yeah, that's going to be part 2 coming soon, and then we can like compare the results. So I think that'll be cool. So yeah, I want to share with you guys my results from sharing once an hour from 9 o'clock a.m. until 6 o'clock p.m. So I kept track of how many likes I got, how many follows I got, how many shares I got. So however many times somebody else shared my closet or shared an item, how many sales I got, how many offers I got, and how many comments I got. And then I'll tell you guys the most active time, like the time frame where I saw the most activity. We're going to start with likes. Over the course of 9 hours, I wanted to do, okay, sorry, before I get into the numbers, I wanted to do 9 hours, I could have done 8, but I wanted to do like a normal business day. And again, I started with 9 to 6, even though that might be like later of a business day, but I wanted to do like regular business hours or like somewhat regular business hours. Okay, enough rambling. So the number of likes that I got in a 9-hour time frame was 114. I'll like put a little thing right here. You can see. Okay, the number of follows that I got in a 9-hour time frame, guys. My mind is just, I told my husband, hold on, what time is it? I'm just totally going off on a tangent, but it's 3 o'clock. My husband will be home from work in a little bit, and I told him I'm taking a bath for the rest of the night because it's just been one of those friggin' months already. Okay, number of follows, 396 follows over the course of 9 hours. Shares, so this is how many times somebody else shared a listing from my closet, 203. I'll save sales for last. Offers, I got 3 offers. Those 3 offers did not result in sales because I kind of countered back, and I think 2 of them declined and then 1 of them just didn't respond. So they were 2 of them were lowball offers. I'm like, yeah, not happening. One of them was kind of reasonable, but I it was an item that I like and I'm contemplating on keeping, and I'm really not going to sell it unless I get what I'm asking for. So it's my size. I really like it. Does anyone else have any items like that in your closet? I do that sometimes. Like I'll buy something from the thrift store. This video, I'm totally talking about random ass shit, but I'll do that. Like I'll buy something from the thrift store that I personally like. I'm like, oh my gosh. And then I justify it by like saying, oh, well, I'll just put it in my closet and see if somebody buys it. But I'm gonna, hold my ground at this price. And then if they don't, or if it takes a while, I'll just keep it. Does anyone else do that? There's gotta be other people that do that. Okay. What are we on now? Comments. I got 8 comments over the course of 9 hours. Let's see. The most active time was between 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. Now this is Eastern time, mind you. So those hours converted to Pacific time would be 10 to 11, which was kind of, I don't know. It was kind of weird to me because I'm like 1 to 2. I mean, yeah, maybe some people take a lunch from 1 to 2. I don't know. That was the most active hour. And then the number of sales that I made over the course of 9 hours, sharing my closet once an hour for 9 hours, I made, how many sales? How many sales do you guys think I made? Comment down below before you watch the next clip. Comment down below with a guess, some drums. No, that's not how you drum. I made a total of 11 sales over the course of 9 hours, sharing my closet once an hour for 9 hours. Yeah, that was my little experiment. Comment down below and let me know if you are surprised by the numbers. Like I said, part 2 will be coming soon. I'm gonna do it probably on, I was thinking like a Thursday or maybe Friday, because I feel like Friday's payday for a lot of people. So maybe Thursday and like Thursday night. I don't know, but it's definitely gonna be later in the day. I'll probably do like noon to 9. Part 2 will be coming soon. Yeah, that's my little experiment. Comment down below and let me know your thoughts. If you guys try this, if any of you guys try this, you should comment down below and let me know your results too. It was a fun little experiment to do. I've seen a couple people on YouTube do this experiment. Somebody did like every 15 minutes, which I can't, like, this was hard, by the way, this was hard to do because I'm very busy all day long because I stay home with my 4 kids and I'm homeschooling and we got shit that we do all day long. So this was hard to do. I can't imagine doing it every 15 minutes. Like that's nutso. That would have to be like on a weekend day. I'd have to be like, husband, watch the children. I gotta focus and do this. That would be very difficult. Okay, enough rambling. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you are new to Poshmark and you want to sign up, you can use my code. It is KeepinItRad. You get a $10 credit and I also get a $10 credit. So thank you. That's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll talk to you guys in my next video.